Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, because I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. Matter of fact, I'm making videos 3 times a day now. So make sure you check out yesterday, today, and all the playlists on the channel. If this is your first time viewing my channel, thank you so much for your time and your trust. I promise not to waste it. Our whole goal here is to give you all stuff and no fluff, to give you very organic videos full of conversational topics and also a lot of data points to help you get high credit funding. So welcome to the channel, smash that like button. And for all of you radical marketers, subscribe to the channel, salute. It's because of you that this channel is becoming one of the fastest growing finance YouTube channels in YouTube. And I'm so grateful and I'm so humbled. So keep smashing that like button, keep commenting, do it right now. And I'll catch you guys in our private Facebook group and on my Instagram. Both those links are in the comment section below. All right, guys, let's get into this. This is pretty exciting. So how to get $100,000 soft pull personal loan from Wells Fargo. I know not everybody's going to get the 100,000, but there are people getting it. And I'm going to tell you all the data points you need to know about it. I know somebody that got this loan. So I'm going to break down some of the data points that my friend had, and I'm going to tell you what I think about this loan. I know a lot of you guys hate Wells Fargo. I know it. Before you click off the video, though, hear me out, because some of these data points maybe could help you if you're a current customer, and if you're not, it could be interesting as well. All right, so I have an entire loan playlist, and most of the loans in my playlist have soft pull requirements. Nobody wants to be trying to qualify for a loan to get denied. So I am really focusing on soft pull personal loans, so that way you guys aren't getting your credit ran all over the place and having to remove inquiries, okay? So as all of you guys know, Wells Fargo ticked off the entire planet, or the entire America, when they try to take away the personal lines of credit, and then they walked that back because of all the backlash, and then they said, okay, you can keep your personal line of credit. But personal lines of credit don't make them any money. What makes them money is loans and credit cards. Loans, because when you get a loan, let's say you get a 7-year loan at $100,000, and you have a 5.74% interest rate, you're paying the interest pretty much on the loan in the first half of the loan, just like real estate, right? So amortized loans make these companies a lot of money given you do the full term. If you pay it off early, it doesn't really help them too much. They'll get some interest, but not a lot of interest. There is a lot of risk for the lender because you may not pay in default. So they really like to make sure that they're getting the right customers for the right loans. But Wells Fargo is giving out loans right now. And with unprecedented times, you may want to have some money in the bank if you don't have a line of credit, if you don't want to worry about liquidating credit cards. I recommend diversifying your credit profile. So this may or may not be a benefit to you, but I will give you this disclaimer. Don't get in debt that you can't handle, and don't get in debt that you don't have a way out of. Because the last thing you want to do is get caught up in a personal loan and can't get out of it, okay? So I just want to give you that disclaimer. These are for entertainment purposes only. Now, what this is you can check your loan options. The rates are as low as 5.74%. And you can check your loan options with no impact to your credit score. We all know that this is going to be the best case scenario. This is probably going to be perfect credit, and also be direct deposit and also auto pay, just so you guys know off the gate. So don't get excited thinking that you're going to get that rate. You could, but it's going to be very rare. Let's talk about this. Customizable loans from $3,000 to $100,000. Also, stick with me to the end of the video, because I'm going to give you the play on top of this plug. So from $3,000 to $100,000 from 12 months to 84 months. So from 1 to 7 years, you can get $3,000 to $100,000. Competitive rates, they got to be, because Discover and Amex are both on their butt. And then also SoFi is taking over the market as well. Skip the fees. No rate origination, no closing, and no prepayment penalty. Thank you, Wells Fargo, for that, because this is going to be key to this loan. Fast access to funds, overnight funding, same day if approved. And you can kind of go through here and see related questions. Now, I did want to let you guys know this. Let's see here. Where does it say here? Down here, it's going to say here that they only accept online or phone applications for a personal loan from customers who have an existing Wells Fargo account. Otherwise, you want to go into your local branch to apply for this. So don't try to apply for this if you don't on the phone, if you don't already have a relationship with them, or you can do this online as well. Now, I have some data points for you because I'm Data Point Dan, the radical marketer. Let me put my spectacles on here. So my friend, he had a 3 to 4% utilization. He had 7 new accounts in the last 24 months, and his Experian was a 760, and he got approved for $60,000. He took a $60,000 loan. He didn't tell me if there was more that he could have gotten or not, but he did tell me that it was a no doc verification. So what I mean by that is this. This is pretty interesting, okay? You guys can read between the lines here. All of my radical marketers that leverage credit, this, when they said due to verification, the verification wasn't, hey, what's your pay stubs? Hey, what's your tax returns? The verification was sign these e-documents that you're going to pay the loan. So I give you that information, my friends and family, on the Radical Marketer YouTube channel. Use it as you will. Don't go crazy. Don't ruin the plug for everybody. But this is a great way where you can use stated income on a personal loan with a soft pull. So if you already have a relationship with Wells Fargo, there's a good chance that if you have a decent experience score, you don't have a lot of new accounts, and you don't have a lot of inquiries, that you could get a personal loan up to $100,000 with no docs and just signing some verification e-documents like that. Okay, that's what he said right from the camel's mouth. So this is going to be a no hard pull loan offer, no docs required. That's just what it is, guys. Now, do you guys think that that's valuable? I do, because that's a lump sum of money that you could start and get a fleet on the road with Turo. That's an Amazon business that you could start, and white label products. That's an apparel store that you could start online and really crush it with online advertising. There's a lot that you can do with that money, and it's a lot that it's hard to get installment loans with stated income only. But that comes down to the power of the relationship of Wells Fargo, the power of the relationship with Amex, the power of the relationship with Discover. Watch all of my soft pull, no hard pull, credit check loan playlist, because you guys can learn about all the different companies that don't do a hard pull, so you can go run your soft pulls and see which company you want to work with. So that's going to be the plug for Wells Fargo. Let me know in the comment section, have you had a personal loan with Wells Fargo? Do you like this? I think that a lot of you guys would really benefit from this if you need a loan and you don't want to do proof of income. I'm just going to put it just out there like that. You guys got to read between the lines. Join my private Facebook group. Link is in the description below. We talk about credit hacks, credit gems, and you guys don't want to miss it. And then also join me on Instagram. I'll be doing a lot of things on Instagram here soon. You guys can send me a DM in your credit question, and I'll get to it when I can. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.